convenience. Please focus and adjust your sound level here. When the sun illuminates the earth, it abounds with colorful effects. And in all this variety, there is always harmony. Nature appears harmonious because of her vast brightness range. Our eyes detect color in the darkest as well as the lightest parts. Nature's colors never clash. They form patterns and designs. They have texture. They merge and blend smoothly into one another. They are often in motion, appearing lively and animated. Some colors are transparent and, for added effect, highlighted by the sun. And no two combinations are exactly alike. Our main source of light and heat, the sun, appears each morning at the horizon. The sky gradually fills with light, and as the rays continue to scatter, the color changes throughout the day. Clouds form. Their watery particles exclude or absorb varying amounts of light. This density and the position of the scattering sun rays determine their coloring. When light reflects along the rim of the clouds, they display their silver lining. But nature has many moods, and by changing colors, a peaceful picture may become one of drama and danger. Dense and heavy clouds block out the sun and turn into threatening storm clouds. Suddenly, the storm drifts. When the sun rays reflect and refract in drops of rain, a rainbow appears. It contains all spectral colors: red, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Falling upon the highest peaks of the earth, the sun rays illuminate snow-covered mountains. Because of the light, these pure white crystals reflect their surroundings. For example, they might appear blue. Now the sun brings life, light, and color to the earth, where it produces a great variety of harmonious effects. Streams flow down the mountains, carrying rocks and minerals, which contribute to the appearance of the earth. Rocks may be blue or green from their copper content, or soil may look red from the iron it contains. In the fertile valleys, the animal kingdom and vegetation abound, and now the colors of the earth mix with those seen in the spectrum and the rainbow. Why does the earth appear so colorful? All these flowers, grasses, leaves react differently to the entering sunlight. Their parts reflect some colors and absorb others. A red leaf, for example, reflects red and absorbs all other hues. Colors appear dark or light, bright or dull because of the changing conditions of illumination, the seasons of the year, the presence and density of clouds, the particles in the atmosphere, the position of the sun, all contribute to producing a multitude of effects. In comparison to the fertile valleys, the desert evokes a different mood. Vegetation is scarce, and the colors are those of the sandy earth. Still, nature displays its artistry in each individual flower. Its brightness attracts insects that collect and carry away the fine yellowish pollen to crossbreed the species. Beyond the deserts are the mountain regions, where the sun casts reflections onto the cool lakes. At last, reaching the oceans and seas, the rays fall into the water, and now the processes of reflection and absorption take place under seas. From the cloudy sky and its different shades of blue to the ever-changing blue-greens of the ocean, the cycle is completed. The sun has colored sky, earth, and water. Nature appears in such colorful variety because of the sun. The visible light rays have different wavelengths, which are perceived by our light-sensitive eyes as colors. They've been organized into families of warm and cool. Because they affect us physically, they may raise or lower our temperature. Blue-greens are cool, and the red-orange groups are warm. This characteristic makes colors expressive. They affect our moods. Since ancient times, the warm groups have been associated with the sun, birth, and springtime. With nature's active forces and elements such as fire, with the earth god and the earth itself. The reddish tones are active. They stimulate us, just as red surroundings are known to increase our temperature. Yellow is regarded as a cheerful hue, and orange glows as if filled with warm, radiant sunlight. Blues and greens are nature's favorite background. Sky and distance, rivers, fields, and trees, the cool colors abound. Cool blue is inactive, and when dimmed or grayed, it might mean sadness. One may feel blue, like this lonely little bird. Blue also suggests time and space without end, reaching from the depths of the ocean to the infinity of space. Summer is full of deep, rich greens, which blossom forth in ever-varying shades. Green is the color of chlorophyll, the essential matter of growth for plant life. When the weather turns cooler, the sugar and starches stored in the plant change chemically, and the leaves take on the saturated colors of autumn. In winter, the pure, cool whites show that nature is at rest. The cycle of life begins once more in spring. Colors identify each season, and pastel tints are associated with spring. Colors in nature also identify places such as rivers or fields, and they identify the many kind of living things, such as flowers, leaves, and grasses. In all seasons, they never displease or startle us. Nature's colors never clash. For example, a warm hue with a cool background is always a pleasing and effective combination. Nature succeeds where the artist often fails. It places cool colors against a cool background without ever disturbing our sense of harmony. And then nature makes full use of complementary, contrasting colors with red and green as a favorite pair. This great variety of effects is always a joy to behold. It stimulates artistic creativity. Man observes nature's rhythmic cycle of life and will never cease to be inspired by her colorful beauty.